Have you ever walked into someone's home and instantly felt warmth, comfort, and a sense of charm? Chances are there was something handmade in that space, something that told a story. And one of the most timeless pieces that gives any home that cozy, elegant feel is crochet handmade decor. Crochet isn't just about threads and hooks, it's about creativity woven into comfort. From delicate table runners to colorful throw pillows, soft blankets, and decorative wall hangings, crochet decor adds that personal touch that no factory-made piece can replicate. It's like art, but softer, warmer, and made with love. Now, imagine this. A visitor walks into your living room. Their eyes immediately catch the beautiful crochet centerpiece on your table, the detailed patterns, the texture, the colors. Without saying a word, they can tell your home carries taste, effort, and a sense of pride. That's the power of crochet. It doesn't just decorate, it speaks of care and craftsmanship. Crochet handmade decor brings more than just beauty. It brings soul into your space. Every stitch carries patience and passion, turning even simple rooms into something extraordinary. Whether it's a crochet doily that brightens your dining table or a throw blanket draped on your couch, these pieces tell a story of warmth and attention to detail. And let's talk about usefulness. Crochet decor isn't just for display, it's practical too. Those soft crochet coasters protect your furniture. The cushion covers add comfort. Wall hangings give texture and elegance without overwhelming the room. Even crochet baskets can help you organize items neatly while keeping the space stylish. One of the best parts about crochet is its versatility. You can match any color scheme, season, or mood. Want a bohemian vibe? Choose earthy tones and fringed edges. Prefer something modern? Go for minimal patterns in white or gray. Want to celebrate holidays? Crochet allows you to change up your decor with handmade festive pieces, from snowflakes for Christmas to floral mats for spring. But just like any handmade treasure, crochet decor needs love and care to stay beautiful. So, how do you take care of it? First, gentle cleaning is key. Always hand wash your crochet items in cool or lukewarm water with a mild detergent. Avoid harsh scrubbing or wringing. If you're washing larger items like blankets or cushion covers, gently press out the water instead of twisting. Second, drying is important. Never hang crochet items, as the weight of the water can stretch them out of shape. Instead, lay them flat on a clean towel, reshape them gently, and let them air dry naturally. Third, storage matters. Keep your crochet pieces in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight. You can fold them neatly, and if you want to prevent creases, place tissue paper between layers. For items you use seasonally, store them in breathable cotton bags rather than plastic to avoid trapping moisture. With just a little care, your crochet decor can last for years, still looking as soft and vibrant as the day it was made. Now, let's talk about value. Handmade crochet items hold emotional and aesthetic value that mass-produced decor never can. Each piece represents time, patience, and skill, qualities that add meaning to your home. When a visitor walks in and sees that crochet piece, they're not just seeing decoration, they're witnessing creativity, dedication, and personality. Crochet decor shows your love for tradition and appreciation for artistry. It makes your space feel alive, not just filled with things, but filled with stories. So whether it's a handmade rug at your doorway, a crochet flower vase cover on your table, or a lovely set of cushion covers on your couch, crochet home decor will always stand out. It's not just decoration, it's emotion stitched into beauty. And when guests come over and compliment your home, you'll know why. It's not just because your home looks beautiful, but because it feels beautiful. That's the real magic of crochet handmade decor, turning every house into a warm, welcoming home.